we're going to record this bus going here. Have cameras on.
So, nobody's fun.
Cool, it's showing up.
Look at that
camera,
dust
too.
storm. It's really, really, really scary.
Yeah.
It's always scary.
Very scary. Dang, it came all the way around.
Yeah, it is.
Came right around us.
Yeah. They wanted us to check it out first.
Yeah. Oh, look at the horses. Poor horses. They're gonna get hit. God, it's blackout over here. You can't see nothing. God, it's nothing.
Yeah, cover the whole place.
God, you can. Earlier you could see the mountains. Now you can't see nothing.
That's where we were just at, though.
Already. Oh my God, it covered up behind us. Just back there. At least we got to see Shiprock from here. We left that dead.
Got a nice shell.
Wow.
It's probably dangerous back there.
Yeah, now it is. Oh my God. It already got. Oh my God. Oh, damn. Wow, we just got through here.
And I think the shells are...
It's already blackout. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And I
We
think...
just drove through here.
And I think the shells
Deb,
are...
get your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Put your seatbelt on.
How about yours, Nancy?
I am.
And
Oh my God. We just came through here and it wasn't this black.
Turn my brights on.
I don't even bring your fog too.
Yeah, well, I turned the brights on. Since we only have one light.
Hold this, Mom, while I buckle up. Just hold it. Yeah.
Feeling it.
I am, Everett. Now I am.
all of the shells are clear, then this one's gone.
I know, it's like the sun already.
It's probably
There you go.
Yep.
If you didn't take your medicine, you would have been sneezing before we went in.
Uh-oh. Marker. Dang, you need alignment again.
no, I can't.
Oh, look.
Now I can't see Shiprock.
These guys don't even have their lights on. Oh, no. Look at that one. You can't see his tail light.
Oh, shit.
Put your emergencies on there.
I turned my brights on, too.
Oh my God, you can hear the wind. Oh my God. That is so eerie. Yeah. Oh. How far are we back on the road? Yeah, we're on the highway.
We're on the highway. I can't, because
Now we can.
Which way are we going now?
I guess back
Towards
towards
Okay. Because this other side's more on the hill. We'll be facing behind him. Oh my God. Oh my God. can hardly see the vehicles coming out.
Watch out over here.
Watch it.
Yeah, this is semi.
There's another one.
There's another one.
Oh, they're just all coming.
For you, probably.
Anything?
Ah, there's another one.
That's right there.
That is crazy.
Tell me when.
Look,
There's another one.
I'm like, look,
I guess I can-
That's flashing, that one.
Yeah,
No, they're
they
turning.
got murdered.
Ready?
Oh my God!
Wait,
Oh my gosh!
Can you see it?
yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Look, I see that's right there.
Oh my God! Hey!
I can't even see.
Well, not your phone on the right. These guys, they pull off.
Pull off. Just go into the middle, just go into the middle lane. Wait till this wind comes, wait till this
Everybody
wind-
just park.
Yeah, just wait till this wind calms down. Oh my God.
I never seen something like
This
this.
is crazy. Crazy. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I can't get it on.
Oh my God.
I can get on.
Okay, Mom. Let Mom. Go ahead, let Mom.
Right there, you can't even see right here a little
No, there's just too much wind.
bit. Hey,
Oh,
look.
God.
There's actually dust a little bit.
People can go ahead and go a little bit, huh? Yeah, we can see, look.
No, just you
Just
stay in the
leave-
middle.
all right.
Drive in the middle if you want, but
Oh, in the middle of the dirt?
yeah, stay in this middle.
The
Where,
dirt.
where,
Yeah, right
some,
here. Yeah.
where somebody drove. Because you never know what's on the ground.
Yeah, see, the first time when I was
That's bumpy.
driving on the street, I see dirt right there. Spreading everywhere.
I don't know, we can see now. A little bit. I'll just drive with my...
Oh my God. This is terrible, my God.
I never seen something like this all these years.
Oh my God, talk about the dust bowl. This is like almost the dust bowl.
Whoop. Right there at the crossing. See, huh? We can go, huh?
Yeah, you can see everything.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, okay, this is
Yeah,
a
that's
little better.
good. I'll just go ahead and drive with my...
Yeah, leave it on.
Yeah.
And my brights.
God, that was
Oh my
terrible.
God.
That visibility was nothing, man.
And these guys are on a padlock.
If it gets bad again, make sure you pull off to
Right.
the left side.
We're going back into the sick one.
I think
I think it might have passed.
I'm thinking as long as we get out of here and head back
towards
down
Farmington.
there.
yeah.
I think it came just from this
Yeah,
end.
just the dust.
Yeah. Because it wasn't out towards Farmington.
For people here, they were getting the rain and it just...
Well, we've
Jeez.
seen it, and I don't think
Yeah.
these people were paying attention. Some of them weren't.
Because it did look like rain. It was like rain, dust, rain.
We were saying rain, dust, rain. Dust. It freaked us out there for a minute. Oh, dang, that was crazy. That was freaking crazy.
I know, I never seen something like that too.
I told my mom about that.
Yeah. Yeah, you
We got it on video.
We got it on video.
We got
It's
to
getting darker.
We're
Yeah.
getting into dark again.
Okay, go ahead and go to the side, Everett.
I bet it blows right here where the mine is.
You're right. Because I don't trust anybody.
Hit us from behind. Some people are not aware of these.
Yeah. Yeah, I felt better way over here. It's coming again, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear it?
Especially.
Yeah.
It's probably a big tornado.
They have the window down, too.
Hear that wind. Oh, and they're going fast.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
probably can't see.
Hear the wind. Is there a radio station that's saying anything about it?
Yeah, turn a local station, see what they say.
Going to Nevada.
I don't even got no cell service. Bring me up any radio station or nothing.
Prostate win. Gotta get a nose hair trimmer.
Hey, can you tell my mom? Cause how about calling? Cause I can.
There's no phone service there.
Oh.
Your mom don't have a phone either.
And I know the phone number of Melmisha.
I don't know what that sign says, but you barely see it.
You can hear that wind.
It says
Up at the state line. This notice has no time limit as of yet, and we will do our best to update you as these fires are quickly developing tonight. Again, Highway 550 is closed to traffic.
Now you can see the
at the New
sign.
Colorado state line. As for the Mancus fire we told you about earlier, evacuations are underway and continue. For any questions on evacuation in the Mancus Valley, please refer to the emergency evacuation line.
We can go a little bit more.
That number is
Yeah.
Tear it up.
564-4449. 970-564-4449. Please do not contact local dispatch.
Good thing we don't have the other car.
I know we would never made it on this. I mean, the high.
From the Clear Channel Four Corners Station.
I know.
Officers discovered
So 550 goes all the way to Durango? That's close.
Is it
Yeah.
close?
Because of that fire. Remember that fire?
Marcus.
Blanket.
He's been saying Marcus.
Oh.
We also have tasty treats from Cracker Barrel every hour, and your request too. 1-800-USA delivery. Call that's toll free. 800-468.
Somebody probably ran off the road right there already. See all that black mark.
This is Alabama on Country Gold.
That turn off.
Can you see anything? We can't have a. We can't even have a scenic drive.
So much for that, You can't see nothing back there, you know.
No, it covered up everything that we just seen.
That's coming up first. One Direction and Demi Lovato all on the way.
That car we would have had girls driving, we would have probably thought that way. So we would have.
Yeah.
Like the car flip over. Like the dust, the stuff next to the car flipped over.
So many are needed
again. Oh my God, and people live in it. Poor people.
It's a good thing some people are. The ones are not in the house, that means they can get dead. And the ones are, that means it's safe. It's the stuff.
Oh my God. It came right back around again.
Just keep going on. Go slow.
Look how strong that wind is.
Because I can feel it pushing.
Look at those trees right there.
Strong. You can't hear it in here, but you can.
And that dog standing there.
His mouth open. Oh, the only food he gets.
Oh my goodness. I wonder if they live with that almost every day.
I don't think so, Mom.
Look at this guy walking.
Oh, that's the one that was, and he just got off work.
That's the one that was looked at?
Yeah.
That's curved. Or why?
And I think that dust is spread everywhere. Probably somewhere.
Oh my God. Wow. Come is like blackout.
Should have just had got lights.
Yeah, no.
I was thinking that.
I'll pull over at the AutoZone and see the next AutoZone.
I didn't think we were gonna need it till nighttime.
Yeah.
I didn't expect this dust storm.
At nighttime it's gonna be fine.
Oh God.
Oh, right here again. It's a good thing nobody's on Ferris wheel there.
Oh, we're riding Shiprock. I didn't even know. Where is the town at?
I didn't know Shiprock.
I can't see it.
I didn't know it's back there where the housings are at. All of a sudden the house popped up. I didn't know we were there.
I didn't know Shiprock.
Yeah, we just been right through town, can't even know it.
Farmington has an AutoZone, huh?
Yeah.
I saw O'Reilly's to the right side.
Where? Back there?
No,
Oh.
back towards town.
All that wind.
And the water's down a lot. So everywhere the water running down.
At least it's starting to see some of town.
Yeah, well, guess I can turn my flashes on. I got a headlight and a fog light on. It's only in everything. Good thing nobody's here. That must be the owner. Maybe it's with the owner.
Yo.
Damn, Jerry.
Start seeing town with
We see school bus.
it. Got me all excited there.
I know, I've never seen something like that.
All freaking out.
All these ears that come out. Your eyes, shining on your eyes. Dust. I should have just got off Monday.
Making you sleepy, the dust?
Because I think I got some on my mouth myself.
What did he get?
The dust is making him sleepy and he thinks he got some in his mouth.
There you go, you got some in your mouth too.
Yeah, I did.
Why don't you guys drink some water?
I did.
Coming from that air conditioner.
Oh yeah, huh?
Simply lost all of it. Oh, that is strong.
Watch out for that flying debris too.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Turn on my lights.
Do you have water back there? Give some to Dev. I mean, handy. I'm trying to get mine, but it's way down here. I think mine's empty.
You just have it's a term to get away. I don't know how.
Crazy watching that storm move in, huh?
Yeah,
Weird.
Circle with us.
Came right around weird. Like a tornado. Slipped right around.
Did you guys take a picture when they were
Yeah.
going around?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My other car wouldn't have last. Probably would have pushed us off.
What happened?